Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to remove activate Windows 10 or 11 watermark. Firstly, open command prompt by pressing on Windows plus X and select command prompt. If prompt by user account control, click yes. Type the following command, then press enter. If you see an error about secure boot policy, restart your computer, enter BIOS and disable secure boot, then repeat the command. Now all you have to do is save your work and restart your computer. If test mode is still visible, move on to step 4, which is open command prompt again and type this command. Press enter, then type this another command. Press enter again and restart your PC. The test mode watermark should now be gone. If Windows asks for activation, retrieve your product key using PowerShell. Just enter this command on PowerShell, then press enter. Copy the product key and enter it in the Windows activation settings. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.